What's up guys, my name is Argue and today I'm showing you how to do the 15th Prestige Combat Training fast and easy with 50,000 XP per kill. So you're going to want to load up Private Match here, but you're going to want to get the file for me, so just send me a private chat. My gamertag will be in the description below, and then just view my COD profile and then file share. You're going to want to download the thing in a 6th slot, and then once you've downloaded it, you're going to want to load it twice like I just did. You can do it once, but twice is the easiest way to do it to make sure you've done it. Once you've loaded it twice, you're going to want to go back into your file share and remove it. Once you have removed the file, you're going to want to go edit game options, X, save to file share. You're going to want to save this to your file share. And once you have saved it to your file share, you're just going to push B to get out of here and switch lobbies to Private Match. Now this part is just like the other combat training hack that I showed you. You're going to switch to Private Match, or hover. You're going to switch to combat training, hover over Private Match, press B, go to your player card, go to your file share, load game, say 1, and then mash A really fast. If it has worked, it will be Team Deathmatch this time, not Search and Destroy, and you will just change it to Nuketown, and you will basically just keep racking up the kills. I'll show you how it works, and I have a little clip to show you how to prestige at the end, and this clip is from a while ago because I am 15th prestige in combat training. But here, loads up, so if you guys do have any questions, comment below. I'll tell you the steps again. Once you have the file, go into Private Match, go into your file share, load the game twice, and then remove it, and then edit game options, save back to your file share, switch lobbies to combat training, hover over Private Match, press B, go to the right on your D-pad or analog stick, and then click on your player card, go file share, load game, say 1, and then mash A or tap A as fast as you can. This is the easiest way to do it. So if you guys do have any questions, please comment below. Give this video a like if it helped you, a dislike if it didn't. Favorite this video. Leave a comment. I'll be reading all the comments. And here I'm just kind of showing you guys how to prestige. You're going to need a friend to invite you into a player match. You're going to go over your player card, and you're going to highlight prestige mode. I did this wrong the first time. I mashed A. You do not need to mash A. But yeah, you can basically unlock everything in combat training that you shouldn't be able to. Titles, emblems, gold guns. I will link how to get gold guns in the description because I have another video made for that. But yeah. So yeah, he's just going to switch lobbies. I'm going to highlight prestige mode, and then I'm going to prestige. So I hope this video helped you guys. Peace out. It has been Argue.